Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy cryptocurrency on crypto.com. For that, you need to come to crypto.com and then you just have to log in into your account if you already have account on it, or you can use the link that I have given you in the description in order to create your account on crypto.com. If you do so, then you are going to get $35 as a bonus. So once you have successfully created your account and verify your identity on crypto.com, in order to purchase cryptocurrencies on the homepage, you will be able to see various types of cryptocurrencies in the favorite section. If you tap on see all, you will be able to see all of the coins that you can purchase over here. Now you can either tap on the accounts tab in the bottom and then select the crypto wallet. Now once this tab is done, you will be able to see all of the cryptocurrencies that you can purchase here as well. So let's say you want to purchase Ethereum, so you just have to simply select that particular coin which you want to purchase. After that, you will be able to see their current chart as well as the current price of the cryptocurrency that you have selected. Now you can add it into the favorite list by tapping on the star icon in the top right hand corner, and you can even set a target price for the particular cryptocurrency so that you could get notified whenever that particular coin comes in your buying range. If you want to purchase your cryptocurrency on the current price, then you need to simply tap on the buy option in the bottom. So as I have selected Ethereum, it is showing me buy Ethereum, so I simply click on buy Ethereum. After that, it will ask you to enter the amount that you want to spend in order to purchase Ethereum. So over here, you just have to use these presets, or you can even use your own amount in the form of Ethereum. After that, you can make this payment as a one-time buy, or you can even make the recurring payment, and you can even set a target price for your cryptocurrency. Here, in order to purchase crypto, you will be able to see two different options. The first is of cash and the second one is of crypto. So if you have selected the cash option, you can use the payment methods like Google Pay, Apple Pay, your debit or credit card, or the EUR wallet that you have. So if you have selected cash, you just have to simply provide your banking details, or if you have selected the credit or the debit card option, then you need to link your credit or debit card with it. After that, you just have to tap on the buy button in the bottom, and on the next page, you just have to simply conclude your payment. If you have selected crypto, then after tapping on the crypto tab, it will show you all of the cryptocurrencies that you have in your account. So you just have to simply select the cryptocurrency that you want to use in order to purchase the crypto, which in my case is Ethereum. After that, you just have to tap on the buy button, and on the next page, you just have to simply conclude your transaction. This way, you will be able to buy cryptocurrencies on crypto.com. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.